See the picnic table down there? The bird bath. The yardstick. Now that is a snowdrift, so I don't really know what the true depth is. I'm not walking out to find out. Confused puppy with nowhere to go. And no play yard. I'm so sorry, Luna. The Weber grill. See the barn out there. It's kind of crazy. The wind is blowing unbelievable.
Snowstorm of 2016. We're not anywhere close to being out of the woods.
And it's supposed to do this all day long and into the night. I guess by tonight we'll only have a few more inches, but whatever that is, we're expecting another foot today. It's interesting. It's a blizzard. No sense in shoveling because it's a sideways snow. And I don't really want to do it twice. So I guess we're just going to wait for Sunday. Anyway, we have power so far. We feel blessed and lucky. Puppy wants to go play. We're just trying to keep a potty spot going. Right, Luna? No chasing kitties today. Isn't that sad? Look at that. Look at that craziness. Look at that. Look how deep. Yeah, you poor baby. You poor baby. Is there a kitty? Is there a kitty out there? Can't chase the kitty today. You get lost. You would disappear and I would never see you again. Well, anyway, so this is today from the Shenandoahs. Snowstorm 2016, at least the first one.